since I first sparked the camp with fire. I'm still confused how I'm a role model that you admire. Who say I inspire those who are searching for higher goals. I'm tired though, am I worthy of what my mind and heart desire? I once said in my journey to greatness I'm a pyromaniac. It's crazy that I came as far, I can't retire. I'm a fighter now, my music now requires crowds. Ignite my doubts, cast them away with mental chains, I'll tie them down. I'll find the crown, I need a royal bars, I'm the supplier. A loyal close promise to give my all to the entire earth. Expired worth is my current fear, we're purpose near and serpents near. I'll find new birth on the verge of tears, incline the surge. We fall to get back up stronger with willpower to confine our curse. Decline the urge to give up and rise, your highness search for that inner strength. Persevere and don't repent, instead ascend from your mistakes. It's all it takes, believe in time we'll learn.
You can't let nobody stand in your way. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up. And lay down everything that you cannot change now. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up.
I don't want you to think my life's perfect, God forbidden. Don't idolize these rappers, most do it for the wrong reasons. I realize I've taken the longer path, but I'll be fine because these demons advertising their reward sacrifice my freedom. I won't sell my soul for gain, oh homie, that'd be treason. I will towards a path of morals intact, it's not that easy. I'm this beacon of hope appointed by my fans, and that reason alone drives me forward even though I sometimes can't withstand. But if I fall, I'll get back up, my arms around your shoulder. You thank me, but I'm more grateful of this blessing, I'm the owner. Keep your composure, we're all soldiers, let the revolt begin. We'll stand up as one and equip our destinies which lack exposure. A bumpy road ahead, it seems I've got my hands full, but I'll take on the world watching all as its defense is trampled. I will mangle competition, there's nothing I can handle. Don't let anybody tell you what you can and what you can do.
You can't let nobody stand in your way. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up. And take down everything that you cannot change now. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up. You can't let nobody stand in your way. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up. And take down everything that you cannot change now. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up.
Things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sea, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, my soul into the masses, write on my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message, from the veins, speaking my lesson, from the brain, seeing the beauty through the all the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. Pain, you made me a believer. Pain, I let the bullets fly, I let them rain. My love, my God, they keep pain. Masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message, from the veins, speaking my lesson,